Hey you, do you want to quit that fucking job, make money by doing what you love, and pursue the dreams you really want? I know this may sound unrealistic, but I'm seriously telling you that this is totally possible for anyone as long as you have the right system, support, and mindset. Hi, my name is Jerry, founder of Smart Affiliate Success. I'm a 20-year-old high school graduate with no college degree, diploma, or whatsoever qualification. I don't plan to get one, and I'm fucking proud of that. You know why? Because the fact that someone like me can show you how to quit that fucking job, make money by doing what you love, and live your dream life shows the power of the system that I'm about to share with you. Now, stop bullshitting me about how much you love and are passionate about a certain profession that you are willing to sacrifice everything just to pursue that path or career. Let me ask you a question. If money is not a concern for you and you are able to make money while traveling around the world and while you sleep, in other words, you can do anything you want and live your dream lifestyle, would you sacrifice that just to pursue the profession or career you love? I'm sure 99.9% of you won't. However, the sad truth is that people today spend so much time and money to study, get qualifications, and trade time for money. At the end of the day, your time is limited. So the amount of money that you can make is also limited if you don't change the way money comes to you. You may have heard of passive income. It is the money that goes into your pocket while you're not working. There are a lot of ways for you to generate multiple passive income streams both online and offline. My top recommended way is via the business model called affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you don't have to create your own product to sell. Neither do you have to pitch the products to your friends and relatives like network marketing. All you need to do is to set up your website and promote other people's product to earn commissions. Now, you may ask, why is this one of the best passive income opportunities? Because you can work on something that you are interested in. You don't have to work on something that you have completely no interest in, like the corporate world. At the same time, your website can work for you 24/7, so you can make money while you sleep. Now, listen carefully. As a gesture to thank you for watching my video, I want to give you my proven 4-step affiliate marketing blueprint to help you get started at absolutely no cost to you. On top of that, don't worry about the website. I'm going to give you 2 free websites together with the blueprint. Now, click on the link in the description area below this video to claim your free gift from me.